Hey tubers, 2006 BMW X5, E53 engine, M54 body, X5 3.0. Okay, it's not starting, and it's cranking, not starting, and it's got no codes. So I immediately thought fuel pressure and no codes. I checked the fuel pressure relay. It's clicking. Functional tests. Actuator real quick. The first one is the pump. Fuel pump. Let's go. Okay, so it clicks on and off. I can hear the relay clicking on and off in the glove box, and I don't hear the pump activated. Okay, you can safely say it's a fuel pump problem. Change the fuel pump, everything will be okay. Subscribe and tell your friends.